Welcome to the Zhuzhou Hechuang Laboratory. This is our compact vertical graphitization furnace with a chamber size of a diameter of 200 mm, a heat of 300 mm. It has a design power of 100 kW, operates at around 80 kW. Reaches temperatures up to 3,100 degrees Celsius. At the customer's request, carbon nanotubes are undergoing high temperature treatment inside the furnace. After nearly 15 hours of heating and soaking, followed by about 8 hours of cooling, the sample is ready to be removed. Lifting the thicker insulation layer reveals the graphite crucible containing the treated materials. With the thermal treatment process has been completed smoothly, the sample will be shipped to the customer. We hope the results of this experiment meet our customers' expectations. If you are interested in our furnace, you are welcome to take an experiment in our laboratory.